guys, finally made it. Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well. Whoever's tuning in, checking me out today. And if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Consider subscribing down below. If you like sneaker content, this is a channel for you. We're uploading consistently every day. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. Please do me a favor. Also, hit a thumbs up. Let me know if you like the video. If you don't, then I know what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see. It also helps the channel grow. So please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, but without further ado, we got another 2 pickups. I came home today too. One is actually a pair of my neighbors that I wanted to check out because I was basically interested in the shoe. And 2 is a package I got from Nike, which I already kind of opened up and cheated, so please don't judge me. All right, here we go. Jordan, Nike Air, Jordan box. We all seen it before. This is a little bit different. Oh, these are actually the ones I got from my neighbor. The Air Jordan 7. I'm not, too familiar with this name of the shoe is. I forget what these are called. But they are really kind of growing on me. The only thing I don't like is that Nike Air in the back, but we could deal with that. They're actually really nice material, not for nothing. But anyway, guys, I will be doing a detailed review on this, so please make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for consistent content. All right, let's put these down. Now I don't know who, there's a lot of people who aren't too crazy about Air Jordan 7s. But I know there is a lot of people crazy about these. And this would be a Air Jordan 5 box. Now this is the package I got from Nike. And like I said before, I cheated and I peeked, so. Are the Air Jordan 5 Mars. Now I don't know why they call them Mars or if that's the, the full name of it. But dude, are you looking at what I'm looking at? These sneakers are, these are definitely a sleeper of the year. So far, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, and if you've been here a while, you know that I love the Air Jordan 5. It is my favorite silhouette. Especially the black metallics, that is my all-time favorite sneaker of all time. But these, and then, let me reach back here. Look at these. Look at that. Very similar, yet very different. If you guys want to see a comparison review, you could also let me know down in the comment section. And, I could probably make that happen for you. But man, these are absolutely insane. Tell me not, guys. Let's take a second look at that. Tell me not. Whew. But yeah, guys, today is going to be a quick video. I am not going to sit here and lie. I am super tired from work. I was even contemplating on making a video today, but we did get those 2 pickups. We have a lot of work to do, and we will consistently put out the content for you guys. But guys, please stick around, like I said. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.